Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast cinnamon. To begin, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 4 slices of thick bread, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Also, have a shallow dish ready for dipping and a non-stick skillet for cooking. Preparing your workspace beforehand makes the entire process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's create the delicious batter. In your shallow dish, whisk together the 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. For an extra touch of flavor, add a small pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Whisk everything thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined, ensuring no lumps remain. With your batter ready, it's time to dip and cook. Take each slice of bread and immerse it in the batter, allowing it to soak for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. Next, heat your non-stick skillet over medium heat, adding about 1 tablespoon of butter. Cook each batter-coated slice for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. Your delightful French toast cinnamon is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm and fresh for the absolute best flavor. You can elevate your presentation and taste by garnishing with a dusting of powdered sugar, a drizzle of rich maple syrup, or a handful of vibrant fresh berries. This makes a perfect breakfast or brunch treat for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.